Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Willy Wonka from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And let's get started with the video. So for the hair, I just use this in brown, and I just turned off the bangs here, looking like Lord Farquaad over here. Maybe I should do that next. Add this hat and color it a black and red color here. Just going to leave the color of the roses. Get these pants on too with the matte material. Get this one. Actually, I'm just going to leave it long because it does look longer in the picture. I'm just going to do that in denim, and I'm just going to color it darker than it is, and I'm going to color the buttons black. For the shirt, I'm gonna just do this one in black. I know this part is annoying. But you can, I guess, use this in red to cover that up like that if you'd like to. I'm gonna just do that actually as well, even though it doesn't really button up that much, but let's just cover that up. Go to the shoes section and get these shoes. Sorry, go to the Valentine section and then get those shoes. I don't know if I should wear these pants or the other one. Let me see which pants look better. Is there even like a difference? No, I'm gonna just use these ones. Yes, the shoes are unfortunately VIP, but you can kind of use other shoes. Like you can wear the boots. You also need the stick, which is another VIP item, but again, you don't need it really. Color it white and red. I would add what was it, gloves, but I can't. I don't know why, like, the masculine body cannot wear gloves. Anyways, for the glasses, you can either use the goggles or you can use the brown glasses from VIP. I'm just going to use these ones. Just going to make some adjustment to them. Make it colored like silver, like white and silver, I guess. And I'm just going to leave that black. And that's Willy Wonka for you. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm just making a few adjustments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.